Hi guys, today's lesson is going to be on graphing from slope-intercept form. We already talked about what slope-intercept form was and how to find the slope and the intercept. Now we're going to talk about graphing once we know what that slope and the intercept are. Before we get into examples, I'm going to go over the steps to graphing in slope-intercept form. First, remember, slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b, where m is our slope and b is our y-intercept. So the first thing we want to do is plot our y-intercept on the y-axis. So when we have our x and y-axis, we're going to plot our y-intercept. From that point, from our y-intercept, we're going to use the slope, which is rise over run, to find our second point. So when we do that, we're going right from this point. We're not going from the origin, we're going from the point. And we're going to use our slope, our rise over run, to find our second point. So rise over run, we count how many up, and then how many over, and then we put our second point. Once we have 2 points on the graph, to finish our graph, we're going to draw the line that goes between the 2 points. And we've graphed our line. Alright, so let's go over those steps and use them. First thing we want to do is find our slope. In this case, y equals mx plus b, our slope, or our b, is -2. So on our y-axis here, we're going to go down 2, or to -2, and put a point. So we've plotted our y-intercept. From that point, from our y-intercept, we're going to use our slope. In this problem, again, our slope is 6. M equals 6. We know that slope is rise over run. So 6, if we wanted to write that as a fraction so we knew what our run was, it'd be 6 over 1. So we have our rise is 6. We're going to go up 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're not putting a point there because that's only part of it. Our rise is 6. Our run is 1. So we went up 6 over 1, and we put our second point. So from our y-intercept, we went up 6. Not from the origin, from our y-intercept, we went up 6. And then over 1 from that point. Now that we have 2 points, all we need to do is draw the line between them. Ooh, my line's not straight at all, but you guys using the computer program will get it, or if you have a ruler, you could use that also. Alright, looking at another example. In this case, the equation of our line is y equals -3 over 2x plus 4. Remember, slope-intercept form. Again, y equals mx plus b. When we're graphing in slope-intercept form, we find our y-intercept first, which is our b. Our y-intercept is 4, so we want to plot that point. We go to our y-axis, our up and down axis, and we go up 4 and plot the point. So we have our y-intercept plotted. Second step is to use your slope. In this case, our slope is -3 over 2. So using that slope, we're going to go down 3, 1, 2, 3, and over a +2. -3 means we go down, and then it's over a +2. 1, 2. Down 3 over 2. And plot our second point. Third step is to draw the line that connects the 2 points. Once we have 2 points, we can draw the line that connects them. And we've graphed our line on our coordinate plane. And we graphed it from slope-intercept form. That's all I have for this lesson. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to ask me. I would like you to complete the following, which is section S.5 in IXL with a SMART score of 80 or better. Have a great day.